Los Angeles is no stranger to wildfires, but this time, the flames brought unprecedented devastation. In early January 2025, multiple fires, Palisades, Eaton, and Kenneth, tore through neighborhoods, leaving destruction and heartbreak in their wake. But even in the face of tragedy, the community came together. Strangers became family and hope emerged from the ashes. As we mourn those we lost, we honor their memory by standing together, rebuilding, and ensuring their stories live on. Los Angeles burns, but it also rises. Together we are stronger. In memory of those we lost in the Los Angeles wildfires, gone but never forgotten.